Who does mommy say no, no, no to? To Lucy, huh? We say no, 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 no barking. This is the cutest no I've ever heard. Is she barking again? What is Lucy saying? What is she saying? Oh, don't bite mommy belly. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Hey, Pumpkin. I love you. Can you blow mommy a kiss? Hello? No, Haley Grace. Don't hit Lucy. Don't hit Lucy. That's not nice. Hey, excuse me. Baby, we don't hit. No, ma'am. Luz. Boy, today. Oh, you got a kiss. You got a kiss. Lucy gave you a kiss. Huh, Lucy, get down. Oh my gosh, you're in my face. Well, you want to say hi to Grammy? Can you wave? Wave hi, Grammy. Say, I love you, I miss you. Blow her a big kiss. Did Grammy go like this? Did Grammy do this one? Did she do that one? Mommy can't do it, only Grammy can do it. Grammy's special. Pop. Pop. Yeah, we miss you, we love you.